Hey guys, welcome back to It's the Lil Things. In this video, I'll be swatching all of these shades from Nykaa very quickly because they all are so pretty. And there's also a sale going on Nykaa that is buy one get one free, and you can get your hands on these shades right now. So I'll be uploading this video today itself so that you can know कि कौन सी shades अच्छी हैं and you can get your hands on whatever shade you like. Before swatching, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel because your subscription means a lot to me. Now coming to the first shade. The first shade is 09 Mona Lisa, and it's a very pretty shade. I even have the smaller one. I usually keep the bigger one in my makeup vanity and the smaller one in my bag whenever I'm going out for the touch-ups and all, because this shade is amazing. It's so lovely, so pretty, so amazing. I don't know what adjectives to use with this lipstick because guys, you have to get this lipstick. The mini one will cost you rupees 325, but right now, as I told you, there's a sale going on, so you can get it for just rupees 165, around rupees 165, yeah, because there's a buy one get one free sale. So wait, I'll be swatching another shade from the same range. This is 02 Nefertiti, and it is such a beautiful shade. It is a peachish nude shade. बहुत सुंदर shade है guys. You have to buy these two. These two are my absolute favorite shades. मेरी काफ़ी सारी इनमें से फेवरेट शेड्स है, बट ये दोनों तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही फेवरेट्स हैं ना, तो मैंने सबसे पहले इन्हें स्वॉच कर दिया. द नेक्स्ट वन आई एम स्वॉचिंग हियर इज़ लेट इट स्नूज, एंड इट्स फ्रॉम द रेंज नायका सो creme I suppose. So this one will cost around 329 rupees. That is the bigger one. The bigger one is for just rupees 329. So you can get two big lipsticks for 329 rupees, which is amazing. And the shade is such a beautiful one. It's a brownish shade and it's a glossier shade. So it's a very glossy lipstick. It's almost finished, so I have also swatched it on my palm so that you can know what shade it is. Now coming to the next one, it's Naughty Nude 11M, and again it's my favorite. Mona Lisa, Nefertiti, Naughty Nude, till now they are my kind of lipsticks because I love them so much. Even Let It Snooze is a glossier one, so I like it a lot, but you can see how much I like 11M बिकॉज इसका स्वॉच ही इतना सुंदर है, तो आपको पता लग गया होगा कि कितनी ज़्यादा सुंदर लिपस्टिक है. नेक्स्ट अप आई एम स्वॉचिंग दिस शेड कॉल्ड टोड्स नेचुरल. इट्स 48M, and Naughty Nude, this Toad's Natural, they all cost for just rupees 450, but you can get it right now at 225 rupees, which is so good. Now coming to this 12M, it's called Top Thrill, and it's a very pretty shade. Towards Natural is very good for the girls who are just getting into makeup and they want a very natural shade, a very subtle one, so they can go for these shades, the Towards Natural, even the Top Thrill 12M. They both are very natural shade. I usually use Top Thrill whenever I am going out casually. So Top Thrill तो बहुत सुंदर लगती है तब 12M. Now coming to this next shade, this one is from the another range of Nykaa, and मैंने इसे swatch तो कर दिया, but बाद में I realized कि ये अब Nykaa पे discontinue हो चुकी है. तो yeah, I had a lot of difficulty finding it, but मुझे बाद में पता लगा कि ये तो discontinue हो गई है. So वैसे इसका नेम था like to move it 14. So in case you will find it, and if you like it, you can find it at some stores maybe. So now coming to the next one, it's called 50M Cinnamon Crunch, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल शेड है, जस्ट लाइक द टुवर्ड्स नेचुरल. 48M और ये 50M, ये दोनों बहुत नेचुरल से शेड्स हैं एंड वेरी लाइट. in case you are into बहुत ज़्यादा natural shades, you can definitely go for these two. The next one is 30M, and it's called Regal Ruby, and this one is a reddish ruby shade, very pretty shade for the girls who are looking for a beautiful red lipstick which is affordable. This one is a very nice shade. Now the last one I'm swatching here is Begum 08, but ये ना finish हो चुकी है. I'm trying very hard to swatch it. आई एम रियली सॉरी गाइस फॉर दिस, क्योंकि ये ख़त्म हो गई है और मुझे था कि मैं आपको ये शेड भी दिखा दूँ ताकि आपको आइडिया हो जाए कि ये कैसी शेड है इन केस यू वांट इट और नॉट. सो दिस वन इज़ Begum 08, बट it's no more there, so I'm sorry, but I'll definitely buy a new one and will swatch it for you guys because मुझे अब आज थोड़ा सा सॉरी फील हुआ कि मेरे पास ये लिपस्टिक ख़त्म हो चुकी थी. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट and please do like, share, subscribe to this channel because your subscription means a lot to me. And bye. Take care.